is Abhilasha and I am one of the educators of VARC on Unacademy. You must have seen me on the Unacademy platform taking a lot of special classes and of course taking a lot of plus sessions for you guys. I have a very interesting and wonderful surprise for you. At Unacademy, we are bringing for you guys a brand new course that will be a morning course. So this course is called the Sunriser batch. It is called the Sunriser CAT 2020 batch, which will be happening on weekdays, and this course will be of great help to anyone who doesn't have much time during the day, who only has the early morning hours free at their disposal. Anyone who's not doing classes in the morning and has classes in the evening, you will find this course to be the best one for you. If at all you are in one of these categories and you are just planning to start, or you have just decided to start your CAT preparation, then this batch is the best one. Let me quickly tell you a little bit about this batch and about who all will be taking the classes and a little bit more about this course. So this batch is called the Sunriser CAT 2020 batch. It starts on the 8th of July, so that's in 2 days. The educators, I will tell you a little bit more about the educators. So in this course, of course, we will cover data interpretation, we will cover logical reasoning, we will cover VA, we will cover RC, we will do quantitative aptitude, everything that is required for your CAT 2020 preparation will be covered in this batch. Now, of course, anyone who's at any stage of preparation will benefit. Of course, those who have just started their preparation will be the ones who will most benefit from this batch. So within the next 5 months, you will be able to cover your entire syllabus and you will be able to crack this year's CAT also. So let me quickly tell you about the educators. So taking VRC in this batch is me, Abhilasha. I have 20 plus years of teaching experience. I've taught with Time, with Career Launcher, and I've been associated with Unacademy for the past 1 year. So I will take up VRC. For LRDI in this course, one of the most popular LRDI mentors on Unacademy, Ria ma'am, will be taking up the classes for your program. So Ria ma'am has nearly 4 years of teaching experience. She is a very wonderful and a much loved teacher for LRDI. Then of course, quantitative aptitude is going to be started off with Sagar Thakkar sir. Sagar Thakkar sir has been teaching for nearly 5 years and has been part of the success stories of more than 10,000 students. He has written a lot of exams and he has qualified JEE, GATE, IELTS, CDS, AFCAT, etc. etc. So your three primary educators who will start off this batch will be Sagar Thakkar sir for QA, Ria ma'am for LRDI, and of course me, Abhilasha, for VARC. Let's also look at some inclusions of this course and let's understand a little bit more about this course. So in this course, of course, we will be covering data interpretation and LR. We will cover VARC and we will cover quantitative aptitude. So let me quickly tell you what are the inclusions in DI and LR. So in DI, we'll be doing basics of data interpretation, bar charts, pie charts, line graphs, caselets, combination graphs, data sufficiency tables, all of that. In logical reasoning, we'll again cover the entire gamut of topics for LR. So whether it is cubes and dice, whether it is course of action, whether it is games and tournaments, whether it is mathematical operations, whether it is clocks, calendars, arrangements, constraint-based puzzles, binary logic, blood relation, assertion, reason, or decision making, we will cover all of the topics that are required. After this, of course, we will also do a DI and LR practice course where we will cover the mock questions also. Now, in the verbal ability and RC section, the VARC section, we'll cover all the usual suspects. So whether it is para jumbers, para summary, odd one out, vocabulary, grammar, fact and phrase judgment, logical deduction, fallacies, critical reasoning, paragraph completion, cover all of that. We will of course start off the batch with vocabulary and grammar. That is the first inclusion that we will do, and thereafter we will continue and take it forward. In reading comprehension, of course, we'll talk about all the important things about reading comprehension. How do you solve a reading comprehension? So fundamentals, approaches, the methods to select the right answer, the types of questions, types of RC passages, and as well as doing the mock questions. So we will cover all of that also. Then if we come to quantitative aptitude, so we'll break up the syllabus into two parts, the basic part and the advanced maths part. So in basics, of course, we'll do time, work, time, speed, distance, number system, AMA, arithmetic, ratio, proportion, variation, percentage, profit, loss, discount, SI, CI, sequence, series, logarithms, etc. Then in the second part, the advanced maths part, we will come and we will discuss functions, we will discuss graphs, we will discuss coordinates, set theory, mensuration, linear equations, geometry, permutation, combination, quadratic, probability, trigonometry, all the topics that are essential for your CAT prep. Then in the third part, the QA practice part, of course, we will again cover the mock questions for this course also. So these are all the topics that we will be covering in the Sunriser batch, which starts on 8th of July. So let me quickly brief you a little bit about the timing also. So the timing for this course is very interesting. We start off right early in the morning at 7 a.m. with Sagar Thakkar sir, who will start your QA journey right in the morning. Then after 1 hour, 15 minutes, that is at 8:15, Ria ma'am will start off the sessions on LRDI. And at 9:30, the third and final session for the day will be taken by me, where I will cover VARC. So we are starting off on the 8th of July with Ria ma'am's class. So we start off with at 8:15 on 8th of July with DI data tables. Then 9th we do pie charts, 10th we do bar graphs. We'll continue on the 13th, 14th, and we'll continue like this. 14th we start the quantitative aptitude section also, and the VA section for this course will be started on the 17th of July, where I will take your first session on VA, which will be vocabulary and grammar part 1 on the 17th of July at 9:30 a.m. So that is somewhat the schedule for this batch. We're starting on the 8th of July at 8:15 a.m. with Ria ma'am. Alright guys, if you wish to get the subscription for this batch, if you haven't yet registered, what you need to do is you need to go to unacademy.com, type Sunriser CAT 2020. You will be diverted to this page, the one that we are seeing right now. Once you have read the course inclusions, everything, you can then go to the subscription page, go to get subscription. This is the subscription page. You have these plans for subscription. So you can take a 1-month plan for 3,500, a 6-month plan for 14,000, a 12-month plan for 17,500. You can take a 24-month plan also if you are thinking about it. However, so that's entirely your choice. Then if you do have a referral code, you can key in the referral code here which says have a referral code. Key in the referral code that you wish to. A referral code will give you a 10% discount. Go to proceed to pay and pay. So this is how you can take your CAT subscription also with us. Now in case you have some friends who are also planning to join and you think that this will be a good course for them, then what you need to do is you simply need to go to this share button and you can share this the details of this batch with them. So click on the share button and then you can share the details of this course with everyone who you feel would be benefited by this course. Remember, this course can be good for anyone who is already through with their graduation. So if you're one of those who just graduated like 10 days ago, just last week, a lot of people have graduated. The universities have automatically graduated people. So if you are one of those who graduated, then this could be a good course for you. You sit up, get up in the morning, start your classes. By 10:30 your classes are done. And then you have the entire day free to practice your questions. So if you are planning to write CAT 2020, this is an excellent batch. 7 to 10:30 you study with us every single day, and then thereafter you have time to practice every type of question also. So your preparation can be like really sorted. Also, if you are one of those who are working late night or whose work day starts say mid morning or in the afternoon, then again this batch could be wonderful for you. Again, join the class at 7 a.m., finish up by 10:30, and then you have the rest of the day to go to work to do whatever you feel like. So, guys, I hope you will find this shout out useful. I hope we will see lots and lots of you joining us in the Sunriser batch. Remember the date, note it down. It's 8th of July, 8:15, starting off with Ria ma'am. This is me, Abhilasha, signing off. I will see you on the 17th of July in this batch. Looking forward to it. Adios, my amigos. 8 July, remember the date. 8 July, Sunriser Cat 2020.